Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create item in Zoho Books. So first of all, let me introduce about myself. My name is Deependra Kumar and I am a chartered accountant. So to understand how to create a item in Zoho Books, first we need to go to Zoho Book. This is our Zoho Book dashboard. Here go to item. Here you have two options. First, click on this plus button or click on new. Once you click on the new button, you have the option. So first, let me take a name, item name, for example, AC. If it is a good, then select good, and if it is a service, then select service. In my case, it is good, so I will select as good. Then click on unit. Here we have so many options depending on what applicable to you. I am choosing pieces. HSN code. Write your HSN code as per your description. If this product is taxable, then select taxable, and if it is non-taxable, then select non-taxable, out of scope and non-GST. In my case, it is taxable, so I will select it as a taxable. Then it asks for the sales information. Suppose this AC selling price is 35,000 and account, under which account this item will hit when it is sold. Then we have purchase price. Suppose it is purchased for 20,000 and it will go to cost of goods sold. Here you can change if you want the account. I am taking cost of goods sold. Then it will ask for the GST rate. You can select any GST rate you want. Suppose 12%, 28%. So I am taking 28% because AC it charges 28%. If you click on inventory tracking for this item, then the number of input and output it will be tracked, and if you don't track, then it will directly hit to the cost of goods sold. So I am clicking on track inventory. Here inventory type, inventory set, and valuation method, we have two options. First, FIFO and weightage. So I am taking FIFO. If you want, you can also add the tag here, reporting tag, for example, location wise or branch wise. Once it is done, click on save and your item has been created. If you go to the item tab, see AC has been created. Now if you want to make any changes, just click here. We have one option, you can click it as mark as inactive, or if you want to delete it, you can delete it from here. If you want to edit it, just click on the name. Here you can see this edit button, just click here and you can edit whatever you want. If you have any image you want to upload, you can just click here and upload the image. Then again save it. So this is all from my side. Thank you. In next video I will teach you how to adjust inventory.